Okay, so this is just my Pillsbury pizza crust that I cut up into 1 stick of melted butter. All right, so I just added a second tube of our pizza crust. Now I'm gonna come in with my minced garlic, and we are gonna add a generous amount of minced garlic into our bowl with that pizza crust and that butter.
Ooh, I can smell it.
Oh my gosh, that's the best part of this dish. Okay, next we are gonna come in with our chopped parsley. Some nice, delicious parsley right in there, beautiful green color. We're gonna give this a nice toss in that butter and that garlic. Oh yeah, we wanna make sure all of those little pieces that we cut up get fully submersed and covered in that butter and garlic. Oh, look how delicious that looks.
Oh, this is looking delicious.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, once we get that nice and coated in the butter, it is time for the fun. And by fun, I mean pepperonis.
Oh, what?
And we're gonna use this whole bag of pepperonis. Just throw it in there and we'll get it nice and mixed in just like we did with the butter and the garlic. More pepperoni the better, right?
Yes, extra pepperoni, please.
Yeah. Okay, get that tossed in, get them nice and folded in. We want it to be colorful and delicious and just the most perfect flavors of pizza. Yeah, we're kind of making a fun new twist on pizza. Okay. Ooh, extra pepperoni, please, right, babe?
Oh, absolutely. But usually it's cheese that I say extra with.
Okay, now it's for the cheese. And I have mozzarella, shredded cheese. You could shred your own cheese if you feel like it. We're gonna use about half of this 1 pound bag, so about half a pound of mozzarella cheese shredded. Oh yeah, okay. Now we got the pizza going, and don't worry, the marinara is gonna come later. We're gonna get this in the oven so we can start baking it, and it's gonna be so yummy. Okay, get that all folded in. Okay, this looks nice and blended together. Now we're gonna bring in our greased springform pan. We're gonna get all of that dough right in there. Ooh, look how good that looks.
It barely fits. It's
Okay.
perfect.
We want it to be like oversized. That's gonna be the best part about this dish. Go ahead and make sure we get all of that in there. Oh my goodness, that pepperoni, the mozzarella, the garlic butter. Okay, now I'm gonna take my spatula and we're gonna kind of create a little hole in the center of our spring form because we're gonna do something super special in there. That looks beautiful. We are gonna grab our oven safe ramekin. This is my Pioneer Woman. You guys know we love Pioneer Woman in this house.
Yes.
We're gonna grab our pan and we're gonna spray the sides of it and the top. You know, just be extra. And we are gonna place this right in the center of our spring form, just like so. Kind of shimmy it in there so that none of the dough is underneath it. Okay, this is looking beautiful. We have one more thing and then this is ready for the oven. And we're just gonna do a nice little shredded Parmesan cheese on top. This is optional. I just really love cheese.
Me too.
Okay, that's looking beautiful. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 45 minutes. All right, you guys, this smells so good. It is time to pop that ramekin out. I'm just gonna use a fork so we can get right on under, just like so. And then it should just come right up. Woo, just like that. Look at our big hole. And we're just gonna flip over our ramekin and put it right back in there because we are gonna add our marinara. I told you we were gonna do some marinara. This is a pizza. Woo. Perfect.
Oh, that looks so good.
All right, now time for the big reveal. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Oh God, so cheesy, so delicious. Okay, and the best part is you just grab your pizza, dip it in. That is so good, you guys.